Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. In today's video, I will show you what to do if your mouse pointer is not working. As you can see, the mouse pointer is not working. I will be using only keyboards for fixing the problem. First, you need to press Windows and X at the same time. Now use the down arrow, go to the device manager, press enter, press on the tab button, use the down arrow, go to the mouse and pointing devices, use the right arrow. Now go to the first option, press enter. Now you have to go to the driver option. You have to press the tab button 3 times. That's one, second time, and third. Use the right arrow, as you can see. Now use the tab button 3 times. Select the uninstall driver. Press enter. Now you have to uninstall the driver. After uninstalling the driver, you need to restart your computer and the problem will be fixed. As your mouse pointer is not working, you can use either Alt or plus F4 to restart your laptop or PC, or you can also use Windows button for that. For restarting, you can use Windows button, then press the tab. Now go down, press enter, and from this menu you can also restart. That's how you can fix the problem. Thanks for watching.